Hello, this time we'll talk about how to insert a picture into Android Studio. First, let's create a new project. So we'll use a basic activity. Go to next. We're using language using Java. And the API 21 is run 98% of the device. So let's finish. Okay, we finished build. So let's see. Go to the resource and we go to layout first. We have 4 layout: activity main, content main, and fragment first, fragment second. So let's go to see the activity main. So that's the main activity main. And here we have button has the error message. That's the email button. We also need to fix that. So we will insert the picture to fragment first. Okay. So that's the first page. If we click X, it will go to fragment second. So here we want to insert a image view. So under image view, if you double click that, not double click, if you move it to the here, you can see all the default image. Okay. So if you want your own image, you need to go to, let's cancel that. You need to go to the drawable, okay, above the layout, drawable. Or you go to resource manager, okay, at the sidebar, resource manager. You can see the drawable, okay. Let's minimize it. And at my desktop, I have one image already here. I want to insert this image to the application, okay? So we just click, hold, and drag to drawable, okay? Go to next. Import. Now let's move this one to here. We can adjust the size a little bit. Okay, now we put it in the middle. So we put it in the middle. You can see the image view also has error message. It said missing constraint in constraint layout. That means you need to set up the, if you click that, you can see 4 dots here. You need to set up the distance from the dots to the border, okay? To top border and to the bottom top, left border, right border. Okay. So if you don't do that, let's run it first. Okay, now we can see we wanted the picture in the middle, but actually when we run the application, it's on the top left. So that means because you not set up the distance to the board. Quick fix that, you just click the info constraints. Click that. It will give you the constraint to left and right. And here you have a top and top and see. You cannot move that anymore. Okay? You can only move to right and left. You cannot move to top and bottom. So what you can do is drag to here and move it back. Okay? So in this case, we have all distance. Then we can move. Okay? Move top, left, top, and for the everywhere. Okay. So let's rebuild it. Okay, after we rebuild it, you can see the the picture in the middle, and if you rotate, it will in the middle. Okay. So we fix this problem. So there is another problem, is color things. So the color thing, we can ignore that. And the image without constant description. So let's fix that. Okay. We need to open the attributes and search content description. Okay. So here you see it's empty. So what you can do is click the small triangle here, pick a resource, click that. Of course, you don't have resource yet, so that you need a plus to add resource. Did I click? Add resource. Oh, we want to add a string value. So this one with resource name, we can see Android picture. Okay, better don't have space. Now resource name, we can see Android icon. We click OK to create this resource. After we create this resource, let's refresh. Refresh, okay. Vertex. Let's search Android. Oh, let's go back. Android picture, okay. So we just double click the resource we just added, because right now here is empty, okay? So we double click, after we click the add resource, we double click, it will show on here, that's add string, okay? So that's a string. Now we fix the problem. Okay, so next time we will, because here we can see the active main, we have a picture. That's a floating icon, floating picture. So when we click that, let me show you here. When we click that, it said replace with your own action. So what we want is to, when we click that, it pick up application from the cell phone and send the email. So next one we will add this function to the to Android Studio.